All right, so this is the full Benks case lineup. Now, I have been using these cases on my Galaxy S26 Ultra since release. So a few of these are gonna look a little greasy, a little used, but I like to test out the products before showing it to you guys, right? So that way I give you my honest opinion. So let's go ahead and go through all four of these cases in the Benks lineup and show you how they look. How do they look on this matte black Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let me just say this, Benks to me this year did a hell of a job with their case lineup. Every single one of these cases are built amazingly. I love it. I think that this is the best work Benks has done. And on my Galaxy S26 Ultra, Benks is going to be on my phone a whole lot. So let's go ahead and take a look. This is the first case we're going to look at. This is the Benks Armor Tint case. And this comes in a beautiful blue color. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy out here. Like I said, I have been using all of these. So this comes in this beautiful blue and it's in this Kevlar material. Now this case particularly is one of the thinner cases. They're thinner and more lightweight and just more minimalistic cases. So as you guys see here, the first thing you notice is that blue Kevlar material. Now this one is kind of ribbed and grippy. I really like the texture of this Kevlar material. And then of course you get that Benks logo, but the camera protector itself is all metal and I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And then whenever you turn the case over on the inside, as you guys see there, you do get MagSafe abilities and they call this Mag Clap. So Benks, they call it Mag Clap and it's actually Mag Clap 2.0, which is really cool. So let's go ahead and take our Galaxy S26 Ultra here and go ahead and put it in. Goes in tightly and securely, and that is how beautiful the blue armor tint case looks on this Galaxy S26 Ultra. So on that camera protector, you get full protection as you see there over your camera bumps. And like I said, you get really good branding. I like how they upgraded this case. The previous generation, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Benks cases, the camera cutout was a little bit different. I really like the way this looks. It's kind of like a hybrid between fully enclosed and open at the same time. And then over here on this side, you've got your volume rockers and power button with the full cutout. The rest is covered by that Kevlar. That is what you're going to get with the bottom charging port. You have these little slits here that just makes it easier for you to take off the case. You've got your speaker grill there cut out. And then of course you have the S Pen. Now all of these cases have full access to the S Pen. So you just pop it out, get your finger in there, and you can pull it right out. No inconvenience at all for the S Pen. Now I don't have a screen protector on here, and this is what that front protection looks like. And you know what's funny? I've actually dropped my S26 Ultra quite a few times, whether it fell off the bedside table or the kids got a hold of it, whatever. And consistently it has fallen face first with these Benks cases. And as you guys see, the sides themselves are very open for swiping. Right there, it's fully open for swiping, but then for drop protection and for set down protection, you do get a little lip here on the front and right there as well. And that's what the case looks like from the back. And then that's what the case will look like from the front. So I think it looks absolutely beautiful, absolutely minimal. All right, and let's go ahead and test out the MagSafe abilities on this case. Now this is actually Benks's Armor Grip MagSafe Kickstand Grip. Sorry, Benks, I've forgotten exactly what this is called. But as you see, this is a different colorway, but you get the idea of what this will look like here. And the magnets, as you guys see, are very, very strong on this case. As you guys see there, very good magnets on this case. Absolutely awesome. And then we have the Armor Air 600 case. This one is arguably my favorite. This is also their thin type of case. And this Kevlar material to me feels a little bit different, but I like the way it feels. Now this Armor Air is very similar to that Armor Tint case, but the Kevlar material itself is more smooth yet grippy at the same time. It's very hard to explain, but I love this material. It's kind of like a very like grippy sandpaper feel. I don't know, it's very hard to explain. This has been the case I have carried the most with my Galaxy S26 Ultra. I am absolutely in love with it. It is really thin, yet durable at the same time. Like I said, I've dropped my phone a couple of times in these Benks cases. Face first, back first, it's been fine. And once again, here is what that inside of the case looks like with that Magsafe 2.0. Let's go ahead and toss in our Black Beast into this case so you get an idea of what it looks like. So look how gorgeous that looks. I love how this side is fully covered with that Kevlar material, and then on this side you get the cutouts for your volume rocker and power button. You get the beautiful new camera protector from Benks right there that fully covers your lenses, and this is what the case looks like from the front of your device. You do get a little bit of a lip on the top, a little bit on the sides, and of course just a little bit there on the bottom. It's just enough to put your phone down on whatever material it is and protects your glass from scratches. I love that. Just a really thin, really lightweight, really grippy Kevlar material. I'm a huge fan of thin cases, and this one is absolutely beautiful. Great job once again, Benks. And of course, we have to check the MagSafe strength. So just as great as the other case, you can just see it pop in place. So that is the Armor Air 600. I love it. Next, we have the Armor Pro Aurora case. This is just gorgeous. I love the coloring of this Aurora color. And this Pro case, this one just gives you full coverage around your phone. So this one is built more like a normal phone case. So as you guys see, that is what that Aurora color looks like. Like I said, I have been using it, so you'll see a little bit of finger grease and stuff like that. But this Aurora is absolutely beautiful. And like I said, when you pull it over to the side, you see that this is an actual phone case, not, you know, a super thin phone case that has cutouts. This is full coverage all the way around. But this, at the same time, it still carries really thin on your phone. And then here on the inside, you get Magsafe on this one versus Magsafe 2.0. Not sure what the difference is, but the MagSafe strength on this feels the same as those other two cases. But yeah, let's go ahead and put our S26 Ultra in this. This is what the case will look like from the front, and that is your protection. So as you guys see, you get just a little bit more of a lip side to side. So if you can see that. Side to side, you get just a little bit of a lip all the way around. So it looks like there on the bottom, the top as well. And then that camera lens looks beautiful, and the whole back of the case looks amazing with this Aurora color as well. And same thing, your lenses are fully protected as well. And you get these really nice, really clicky buttons to go along with your Pro case. So I love this. I think that this case is still thin enough to be used daily while wanting a thinner case, right? But just adding that extra level of protection. So honestly, you'll probably want to carry this case more often than the really thin series cases, just because it will protect your phone a lot better. And then last but not least, we have the Armor Pro Armor Grid case. So like I said, this is an Armor Pro case again. So this is one of the thin yet more durable cases, right? So this is that beautiful armor gray colorway. I love that little Benks icon there. Same thing, you get that beautiful metal camera ring protector. Full coverage on this side, full coverage on this side with actual buttons that work excellently well, along with the MagSafe abilities. We'll toss our phone in, and that's what the Armor Grid case looks like. Full buttons there. Very clicky. Full camera protection. And that is what the S Pen and charger looks like. And then this is what the front of your phone will look like with this Armor Grid Armor Pro case. Full raised edges on top, sides, and bottom as well. So like I said, still really thin of a case, but very grippy, very doable feeling while still being very thin in your hand. So Benks, you guys have a winner with this entire setup. All of the cases just feel insanely tight on your phone from top to sides to bottom. It just fits so perfectly, so tightly with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. I am in love with what Benks has done this year. I will make sure to leave a link down below for you all to check out all of these Benks cases along with my coupon code to save you money on cases for your new Galaxy S26 Ultra. Durable cases for the people who need that protection, but then you can jump in and get the really thin, really light cases as well if that is your preference. So great job, Benks. Thanks for sending this over for me to check it out and to showcase it for you guys. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.